If you have ever looked into hedge funds or large private equity, you might have heard the term feeder fund. Let's simplify how they work. At its core, a feeder fund is a vehicle that pools money from smaller investors to feed into one larger master fund. By pooling assets, the master fund can trade more efficiently and reduce operational costs for everyone involved. They exist primarily to bypass barriers. They allow managers to accept different types of investors while keeping one central investment strategy. Unlike a direct investment where you own assets individually, a feeder fund is a layer between you and the primary strategy. Keep in mind that feeder funds often carry an extra layer of administrative fees, which can impact your net performance over time. Always read the fine print. Understanding the relationship between the feeder and the master fund is key to knowing what you are paying for. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clear up the confusion, hit that subscribe button for more money basics. See you next time.